Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create and customize tables in Google Slides the right way. If you've ever struggled lining things up or making a table actually look clean, yeah, this will help. So let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is open the slide where your table should go. Then at the top, click Insert and choose Table. Pick the number of rows and columns you need. Google Slides lets you drag across the grid to set it, which is super handy. Once the table drops onto your slide, just click inside any cell and start typing. You can paste text, add numbers, copy rows, all of that. If the table feels small or cramped, don't worry, we'll fix that in a moment. To resize it, drag the handles on the edges. You can stretch the whole table or just individual columns and rows. And if something doesn't line up perfectly, try dragging again. Google Slides kind of snaps things into place. Now, this is where your table starts looking, actually good. With the table selected, go to the toolbar and choose border color, border thickness, or even dashed styles. You can also fill individual cells with colors if you want something to stand out. And of course, you can format text just like anything else. Select the text and change the font, size, color, alignment, all of that. A quick tip, center alignment usually makes tables look cleaner. If you need more space, right-click a cell and insert more rows or columns. And if something needs to go, just right-click again and delete it. Google Slides adjusts everything automatically, and that's basically it. Creating and customizing tables in Google Slides is pretty simple once you know where everything is. If this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Google Workspace guides, and I'll see you in the next one.